ang ginawa ko is, direct sa ko lang siya, which is, limit 7x squared minus 12x, and limit of approaches to 3. So let's substitute. 7 times 3 squared minus 12 times 3. So 3 times 3, 3 times 3, 3 squared is 9, and 7 times 9 is 63. Then 12 times 3 is equal to 36. Then 63 minus 36 equals 27. So our answer is 27. Limit of 7x squared minus 12x as x approaches 3 is equal to 27.